We will get the solution of a quadratic function by using the formula method. So this formula states that x is equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And this formula is gotten by completing the square method. So let's try to derive this formula. If we have our quadratic equation as ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now I have to take the c term the other way. So I have ax squared plus bx is equals to minus c. I divide all through by a so that the coefficient of x squared should be equals to 1. This will give me x squared plus b all over a x is equals to minus c all over a. The next step, I add half the coefficient of x all square on both sides. What is half the coefficient of x here? The coefficient of x there is b all over a. So half the coefficient is times half all square. This will give us b squared all over 4a. So I do that here. I have x squared plus b all over a x plus half times b all over a all square is equals to minus c all over a plus, this one is same as b squared all over 4a squared. So leave this in this form so that we can factorize. X. So all of these will give us x plus b all over 2a all square is equals to, let's simplify this somewhere. So this will be LCM 4a squared. A goes into 4a squared, 4a, so this is 4a times c, this is 4ac plus b squared. So we write this as minus 4ac plus b squared all over 4a squared. So we can rearrange this to make it look presentable. We have the x plus b all over 2a all square is equals to b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. The next thing, I take square root of both sides. Take square root of this side and square root of the other side. This gives me x plus b all over 2a is equal to b squared minus 4ac to the root divided by 2a, because I can get the square root of 4a squared, which is a perfect number. I take b all over 2a the other way. This gives me x will be equal to minus b all over 2a plus or minus, because the square root of a number can either be positive or negative, b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So both terms have a common denominator, so I can rewrite this as x is equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So use this quadratic formula to find the solutions of quadratic equations. Find the integer value x which satisfies the equation 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. we are going to use our quadratic formula. We know that x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let's identify the coefficients. A is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 5, and c is equals to minus 3. So x there will be equals to minus b, that is minus 5 plus or minus b squared minus 5 all square minus 4ac. A is 2 times c, which is minus 3, all over 2a, 2 times 2. Let's simplify this. So x there will be equals to 5 plus or minus minus 5 square is 25, minus 4 times 2 times minus 3. So this gives us minus 8 times minus 3, which is plus 24. This is divided by 2 times 2 divided by 4. X will be equals to 5 plus or minus square root of 49 all over 4. X is equals to 5 plus or minus the square root of 49 is 7 divided by 4. So we are saying that one of the x1 will be 5 plus 7 divided by 4. X1 is equals to 12 divided by 4. X1 is equals to 3. What is X2? X2 would be 5 minus 7 divided by 4. This is minus 2 divided by 4, which is equals to minus half. Let's solve this other example. 6x squared minus 11x minus 7 is equals to 0. Let's identify coefficients there. A is equals to 6, b is equals to minus 11, and c is equals to minus 7. Let's state our quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. X is equals to, what is minus b? Minus 11, put it in brackets, plus or minus 11 squared minus 4, what is a? 6 times minus 7. All of this divided by 2 times 6. X there will be equals to 11 plus or minus square root, this is 121 plus, so this is minus times minus give us positive, so they will have plus 168 divided by 12. X is equals to 11 plus or minus, we add these two, gives us 289 divided by 12. What is the square root of 289? So I have the x is equals to 11 plus or minus 17 divided by 12. So at one time, we use positive plus 17. So we'll say that x1 is equals to 11 plus 17 divided by 12. So x1 is equals to 28 divided by 12. I simplify. 2 goes there, 14. 2 goes there, 6. 2 goes again, 7. 2 goes there, 3. So x1 is equals to 7 all over 3. What is x2? x2 will be 11 minus 17 all over 12. This is minus 6 all over 12 it gives us minus half. So the two values of x is equals to 7 all over 3, or x is equal to minus half.